Making time travel simple with simple past tense. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our journey of understanding English grammar. Today, we're going to be time travelers, stepping back into the past. We're going to talk about time expressions in the simple past tense. Remember, these expressions are our keys to unlocking the stories of yesterday. So, let's get started. The simple past tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past and is not usually mentioned in the sentence. Here's an example. I saw a movie. But how do we know when exactly this happened? This is where time expressions come in. Time expressions give us specific information about when an action happened. They transform our vague understanding of the past into a clearer picture. Some common time expressions used with the simple past tense are yesterday, last week per month per year, a minute per hour per day per week per month per year ago, in 1990, or any other year, on Monday, or any other day. Let's see some of these time expressions in action. Yesterday, I saw a movie. This tells us that the action happened exactly one day before today. Last week, we visited the museum. Now, we know that the visit to the museum happened in the week before the current one. She called me an hour ago. This indicates that the action happened just 1 hour before the present moment. I was born in 1990. Here, the specific year of the action is mentioned. They went on a trip on Monday. The specific day of the action is given. As with any part of learning a language, the key is practice. Try to create your own sentences using the simple past tense and time expressions. For example, think about what you did last weekend, or something interesting that happened a year ago. That's it for today, time travelers. We've learned how to use time expressions to give more information about when actions happened in the simple past tense. We hope this trip to the past has been enlightening. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So keep practicing and we'll see you in our next video, continuing our journey through English grammar. Until then, keep exploring.